Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel, we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Today's video will feature the money piece highlight trend. The look of this face framing highlight look has been trending now for the past few years, and it only seems to be gaining popularity. In 2023, women will try this trend out with the traditional blonde highlights or take the look to the next level by mixing in bold hair color variations. We hope that today's video gives you some major inspiration on just how the money piece highlight trend can be worn. If it does, please feel free to like today's video, and of course be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. And without further ado, let's take a look at some of the hottest ways the money piece highlights look can be worn.